complain if he's
the hammer.
Nick got bullied a lot in high school. That's not true. He made that up to get clout. I want
these guys going right at it. Both had good duck. Oh, these things are landing on both sides evenly now. Blue Glove takes it, just bobbing and weaving from red, but you gotta throw back. He's trying to duck under the punches. Just slapped him down. Good action in close. I think Blue Glove's got the advantage. Red Glove's keeping his hands down and paying the price. He ducks, but you gotta throw punches. Ooh, good right, good uppercut. All Blue, taking total control. Covering up his red. On this fight right now, all Blue Gloves early. Oh, Blue Gloves. 10. How do you score this? Because all Blue, good shot there. How do you score that round?
I gotta see that lower third.
And Blue Gloves comes right back out. Blue Gloves with the exception of one punch, and it stays the same way. In the duck move, eventually, if he goes up, oh, good right. Blue Gloves again. And you can tell he's that low duck, good left right there. Slow motion. There's the uppercut. Oh, he wound up there with the right. All Blue Gloves covering up again as the Red Gloves. This is like deja vu. Let's see if Red Gloves can steal something here. Just covering up. Interesting strategy.
This might be rope-a-dope.
Ali Foreman in the jungle.
Rumble in the jungle.
Oh, yeah.
Ali Foreman.
Yeah,
right.
Jungle.
Standing 8.
That was a rightful standing 8, I believe.
Yeah, he's just shelling up like a turtle at this point.
But maybe he's like, oh, I know I got that.
It's over.
That's it.
Wow.
Referee stops the bout.
I think he asked out, right? That was a no mas situation.
Yeah, that was definitely a no mas.
The winner fighting out of the